Hey hustlers, and let's be real, we all want to know the secret sauce to building a successful business, right? Well, get ready to take notes, because in this video we're diving deep into the top 7 business models that are going to be killing it in 2025. We're talking about the trends, the opportunities, and the strategies you need to know to stay ahead of the game. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this video is your cheat sheet to success. So grab your notebooks, your thinking caps, and let's get down to business. First up, we've got e-commerce. I mean, duh, right? Online shopping is exploding, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. But here's the thing, niche markets are where it's at. Think about it. People are craving unique, personalized experiences. So if you can find a specific audience and cater to their needs, you're golden. We're talking handcrafted jewelry, sustainable clothing brands, artisanal food products, you name it. The key is to find your tribe and give them something they can't resist clicking add to cart for. And don't forget about the power of social media marketing. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. These platforms are your best friends when it comes to reaching your target audience. So get creative, build a strong brand, and watch those online sales soar. Next up, we've got subscription services. And let me tell you, these are a thing of beauty. Think about it, recurring revenue, predictable income, and happy customers who keep coming back for more. Subscription boxes are still a hot commodity. But we're not just talking about beauty products and snacks anymore. We're talking about niche boxes for pet owners, bookworms, fitness enthusiasts. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about digital subscriptions, streaming services, online courses, software subscriptions. These are all booming industries. The key here is to offer value and convenience. Give people a reason to subscribe, and make the sign-up process seamless. And don't be afraid to get creative with your offerings. Think outside the box, pun intended, and give people something they can't find anywhere else. Let's be real. People are more invested in their health and well-being than ever before. And that, my friends, is a goldmine for entrepreneurs. We're talking about everything from healthy meal delivery services and fitness apps, to mental health resources and personalized wellness plans. The key here is to tap into the growing demand for holistic well-being. People are looking for solutions that address their physical, mental, and emotional health. So, whether you're a certified yoga instructor, a nutrition guru, or a tech whiz developing the next big meditation app, there's a place for you in this ever-expanding market. Just remember to stay up to date on the latest trends and research, and always prioritize ethical and sustainable practices. Chapter 4: Remote Work Solutions. The future is flexible. Remote work is here to stay, people. And with that comes a whole new world of opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs. We're talking about everything from project management tools and video conferencing software, to virtual team building activities and online co-working spaces. The key here is to make remote work, well, work. Think about the challenges that remote teams face: communication, collaboration, work-life balance, and offer solutions that address those pain points. And don't forget about the importance of security and reliability. Remote teams need to know that their data is safe, and that they can rely on your tools and services to keep them connected and productive. Chapter 5: Green Energy. The future is bright and sustainable. Okay, let's talk about saving the planet while making bank, shall we? People are finally waking up to the urgency of climate change, and are looking for sustainable solutions. We're talking about everything from solar panel installation and electric vehicle charging stations, to energy-efficient appliances, and sustainable fashion brands. The key here is to offer products and services that are good for the planet and good for business. Consumers are becoming increasingly eco-conscious, and they're willing to pay a premium for sustainable options. So whether you're an engineer developing cutting-edge solar technology, or a fashion designer creating eco-friendly clothing, there's a place for you in the green economy. Chapter 6A1, and Automation. The future is now. AI and automation are changing the game, folks, and if you're not paying attention, you're going to get left behind. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, AI and automation are creating a ton of new opportunities for entrepreneurs. We're talking about everything from chatbots that provide instant customer service to AI-powered marketing tools that personalize the customer experience. The key here is to embrace these technologies and find ways to use them to your advantage. Whether you're a small business owner or a tech startup founder, there are AI and automation tools out there that can help you streamline your operations, improve your efficiency, and boost your bottom line. Chapter 7: Online Education. The future is learning. Last but not least, we've got online education. And let me tell you, this industry is on fire. With the rise of e-learning platforms and digital courses, education is no longer confined to the traditional classroom. We're talking about everything from online courses and webinars to virtual tutoring and coaching services. The key here is to create high-quality content that provides real value to your students. Whether you're an expert in marketing, photography, or web development, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. And with the right platform and marketing strategy, you can reach a global audience and build a successful online education business. There you have it, folks. The top 7 business models that are going to be making it rain in 2025. Remember, the future is all about innovation, adaptability, and a whole lot of hustle. So find your passion, chase your dreams, and don't be afraid to take risks. And hey, if you ever need a little motivation, just remember you got this. Now go out there and make some magic happen. Peace out.